in this step, just take it x outside, remaining is a 1 plus y, which is nothing but a value 1 gives you the x value. This is the second absorption law, x into x plus y is equal to x. And then third absorption law and the last postulate of a Boolean algebra, x plus x complement y is equal to x plus y. This is the tricky one and important one, just listen carefully. And here first third this is the third absorption law, third absorption law, this one. This is the table, truth table method. This is the truth table method. Just analyze it once, and if you are not getting in the sense, you can ask. Here, proof by logical algebraic method, where I am considering again the LHS value. LHS value is nothing but a x plus x complement y, and through that I am going to achieve the RHS value. Let us see, x plus x complement y. Here I am multiplying the value 1 plus y is nothing but a 1. 1 plus y is nothing but a 1. If you have, just observe here, if you have any value called x, it is meant that x into 1. X into 1 is nothing but a x again. So I am reforming this 1 as a, just listen carefully, I am reforming this 1 as a is equal to 1 plus x. It is meant I am replacing this 1 by 1 plus x, 1 plus y here. I am requiring 1 plus y. So x is nothing but x into y. That 1 is reformed into the 1 plus y here. So this costs nothing for us, and plus as it is x bar into y. Multiply this x into these two things. X into 1 is x, x into y is plus x into y plus x complement y. Now in these two variables, common thing is a y. Observe, in these two things common thing is a y. Take it outside, you will get a x plus x complement in a bracket. That x into x plus x complement, you can just if you are remembering the starting Boolean postulates, you can easily replace it by a 1. That's why always we have to remember those Boolean postulates. Every Boolean postulates is important in solving the Boolean expressions. X plus x complement is nothing but a 1 again. So replace this x plus x complement by 1, you will get a x plus y. That is nothing but RHS. And the proof for this one in a text book they have given in a page number 50. That is somewhat wrong is there. Just copy this proof, and you have to read this proof only and practice this proof. This is the one thing. These are all about Boolean postulates, and some of the theorems we have. One of the most powerful identities used in a Boolean algebra is a De Morgan's theorem. A scientist called Augustus De Morgan, scientist as well as he is a mathematician, had paved the way to Boolean algebra by discovering these two important theorems. In below I have explained those two important theorems. This section introduces these two theorems of a De Morgan, Augustus De Morgan. First theorem, these two theorems also very important, and these are based on a Boolean postulates as well. And these are these two De Morgan's theorems are used to simplify the Boolean expression. You have to remember Boolean postulates are nothing but a basic class, and as well as a De Morgan's, two of the De Morgan's theorem in solving or to simplify the Boolean expressions. First theorem is x plus y whole complement. Here the first De Morgan's theorem is nothing but it states that x plus y whole complement. Just observe here, up to till now this one we have just observed the single complement, and here we are observing x plus y. Here just x plus y whole complement. That is, you have to do the operation between a variables x or y. that results will be complemented. For example, I will tell you x value 0 and y value is 1, and making OR operation between them will gives you 0 or 1 is nothing but the results is a 1. So 1 complement, that is gives you a 0. Like that you have to do that operation. It states that first De Morgan's theorem, x plus y whole complement is equal to x complement into y complement. Just observe the here gap you have to observe between a complement, two complements there is a gap is there. That means x complement into y complement. First De Morgan's theorem is a x plus y whole complement is equal to x complement into y complement, and this is the basic gates, that is a logic gate designed for this x plus y complement. Just observe here, first thing is a x plus y, that is nothing but OR operation, x plus y OR gate is designed, and then it is should be complemented in the sense NOT gate should be used for complementation. Here you will get a x plus y answer here. Just extend x plus y will be input for the NOT gate. This will give you a x plus y whole complement. For this one RHS we have designed the logic gate here, which means x complement is nothing but a x will be passed into the NOT gate, will give you a x complement, and y will be passed through the NOT gate, will give you a y complement. And here dot operation is there, that is nothing but a logical AND operation is there. For these two outputs you have to apply the AND operation, AND gate. Okay na, this is what we used to say it as a designing the logic gates. Let us see the proof for first De Morgan's theorem. These De Morgan's theorems are very important one. You have to one is a for applying a simplifying of a Boolean algebra or a logical algebra or logical function, and other thing is these proofs are very important, recently asked in the examinations. Every examinations there is a more chances of asking a De Morgan's theorems, that is the first theorem or else a second theorem to prove for a proof. Okay na, let us see. First theorem is a x plus y whole complement is equal to x complement into y complement. To prove this theorem we need to recall the complementarity laws. Complementarity laws, which states that x plus x complement here, sorry, x plus x complement is equal to 1 and y into y complement. Here I am just telling you plus. When I say plus you have to think about logical plus, logical addition. When I play say into or a dot, logical AND, you have to think x plus x complement is equal to 1 and x into x complement is equal to 0. These two are the complementarity laws by the Boolean postulates or Boolean laws, basic laws. Okay na? Let us assume to prove this De Morgan first law. To prove this Boolean first theorem, let us assume that p is equal to, here we have p is equal to x plus y. Let us assume p is equal to x plus y, where p, x and y are the logical variables. Then according to the complementation, variable when arguing with a or a plus with a complement of itself will give you a 1, and variable multiplying with a complementing of complementation result of itself will give you a 0. That is p plus p complement is equal to 1 and p into p complement is equal to 0. These two are the complementation laws. Okay na, where p is nothing but a x plus y. You have to remember this one. And this one let us see, p complement is equal to, p complement is nothing but a x plus y whole complement, which is through the from the first De Morgan's theorem, x plus y whole complement represents as a x complement into y complement. Therefore, if these two laws, p plus p complement is equal to 1 and p into p complement is equal to 0 comes true, if these two postulates comes true, then it is said to be the proof for a first De Morgan's theorem. Let us see first one. P plus p complement is equal to, where p replace the p by value x plus y. P complement is nothing but from the first De Morgan's theorem, x complement into y complement. We have to show that x plus y plus x complement y, x complement into y complement must be equal to 1. We have to show that like that.